What song should we go to first time?
Right, I think you should start off with,
I love your little cat, it's so cute.
I think you should start off with a song called
Oh my God.
Hammer. Okay.
You gotta be kidding me.
Go and sit down. Go and get down.
Okay.